Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Easy English Channels. My name is Anna. I'm here with you. I feel calm today. How are you?
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm Thomas. I'm a bit tired.
A bit tired?
Yes, my morning is very fast. Work starts early.
I see. It's good we have lunch break now.
Yes, I sit, I rest, I feel better.
Today, let's talk about something simple. Something we all have. Our morning routine.
Morning routine. Every day.
Yes, every single day. Before we start, if you like learning English this way, please follow Easy English Channels.
Yes, follow us
Like this podcast.
and share it with a friend.
A friend who learns English. Okay, let's talk. Thomas, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
6. That's early.
Yes, too early.
How do you feel when you wake up?
Sleepy. Very sleepy.
I understand. I wake up at 7.
7 is nice.
It feels calmer.
I want 7.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I look at my phone.
Oh, the phone.
Yes. Time, messages, news.
For a long time?
Yes.
You're not alone. After the phone?
I get up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Good. Very clear. What about you? I get up. I make my bed.
Every day?
Every day.
Wow. I never do that.
That's okay. Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes. 1 glass.
Cold or warm?
Cold.
I drink warm water.
Really?
Yes, it feels good.
I like cold more.
Different habits. Coffee?
Yes. I need coffee.
How many cups?
2.
2 cups?
Yes. 1 at home, 1 at work.
I drink 1 cup.
1 cup?
Only 1.
Wow.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes.
Not every day?
No, I'm busy.
What do you eat when you eat breakfast?
Bread, eggs, sometimes fruit.
That's good food.
Yes, but many days, no breakfast.
I eat breakfast every day.
Every day,
Yes, I like slow mornings.
I like sleep.
After breakfast, what's next?
I get dressed, work clothes.
Simple clothes?
Yes, shirt, pants,
Comfort is important.
very important.
Pause. What time do you leave home?
At 7.
And you take the bus?
Yes, about 40 minutes.
That's long.
Yes, I feel tired on the bus.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music, sometimes English.
Slow English?
Yes, slow and clear.
Like Easy English Channels?
Exactly.
I walk to work.
You walk every morning?
Yes, about 15 minutes.
That sounds nice.
It's quiet. I feel calm.
My bus is noisy.
Too many people?
Too many people.
When you arrive at work, how do you feel?
Still sleepy.
Even with 2 coffees?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I sit, I work, I talk to people.
Talking all morning is hard.
Yes, very hard.
I talk a lot too, but I enjoy it.
You like mornings.
Yes, I do.
I like night.
We are different.
That's okay.
Do you feel stressed in the morning?
Sometimes.
I try to stay calm.
How?
Slow breath. Slow walk.
I run.
That's very different. Okay, let's stop here. Today, we talked about our morning routine. Waking up, phone, water, coffee, breakfast, leaving home.
Simple things. Real life.
Yes, pause. Now, a question for you. What do you do in the morning? What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee? Do you eat breakfast? Think about it. Say it out loud. Pause. Thank you for listening to Easy English Channels.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.